Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show UK49 prediction for Tuesday 23 January 2024. Today lunchtime single prediction numbers. Number 3, number 14, number 34, number 41, number 46, number 44. Today lunchtime single prediction number repeat number 3, number 14, number 34, 41, number 46, number 44. Now lunchtime second prediction numbers number 5, number 6, number 19, number 29, number 32, number 37. Today lunchtime second prediction number repeat number 5, number 6, number 19, number 29, number 32, number 37. Now lunchtime bonus ball numbers number 39 or number 44. Today lunchtime bonus ball number repeat number 39 or number 44. So friends, complete today lunchtime prediction numbers. Today tea time prediction for Tuesday 23 January 2024. Today time single prediction numbers number 9, number 10, number 13, number 22, number 32, number 45. Today tea time single prediction number repeat number 9, number 10, number 13, number 22, number 32, number 45. Now tea time second prediction numbers number 8, number 14, number 25, number 26, number 27, number 49. Today tea time second prediction number repeat number 8, number 14, number 25, number 26, number 27, number 49. Now tea time bonus ball numbers number 42 or number 47. Today tea time bonus ball number repeat number 42 or number 47. So friends, complete today tea time prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon.